What's up, guys? So I done goofed on my 14 bolt while welding the truss on. I guess I didn't wait enough between welds, so we warped this thing. It's about 3/16 of an inch warped on each side, going like banana style. I'm gonna try to fix this. So I had my buddy 3D print some of these pucks, and I got 1.25 inch solid rod. The plan is get an I-beam on here, chain it up, put a bottle jack underneath, heat up this section right here, and try to straighten it out. This is what we got going on so far. Got the axle up on the I-beam. Got these pucks on the inside, and as we can see, we are off by quite a bit. Gonna have to heat the axle right here. I already cut the truss here. Like a glove.